Hey, what is going on guys? I'm Nick and it's 2020 now, so I'm doing a new video update on the SIM not valid problem on your iPhone. Now iPhones have this problem when they're locked to a certain carrier, so today I'll show you how to unlock this phone and make it never lock so you can use any SIM card that you want. This iPhone 11 is locked and it doesn't do anything when I click try again. So to unlock this phone, the first step I have to do is to find the IMEI number of this phone. I can do that by clicking back here and then on this blue info button down right, and this will show the IMEI number of the phone. Write down this code because you'll need it for unlock. Another way to find an iPhone's IMEI number is going to the dialer and dialing *#06#, and this will bring the same screen with IMEI on your phone. You can also find the IMEI number on the factory box of the phone or in the SIM tray slot. Okay, after we find the IMEI, now we have to restart the phone and remove the SIM card. With an iPhone, you can be facing two cases. Case 1 is the iPhone is not locked and you can use it even without a SIM card. Or case 2 is the iPhone is completely locked and you can't use it. If you have case 2, you may want to do the unlocking from another device. It can be an iPhone or an Android phone and the procedure is completely the same, you just do it from another phone. In my case, I can use my phone, so I'm gonna unlock it from itself. Okay, enough talking, let's get straight to the point. Go to SimNeverlock.com. The website is very familiar and you already know what to do. You fill in the email address, then the IMEI number of the phone, and lastly the phone version. Check if everything is correct and hit the unlock button. It takes no more than a minute for the service to confirm your request. I might speed up some of the footage so I can make the video shorter. Okay, once you get to this screen, you will need to complete a small app captcha verification. Click on it and a list of phone apps will show up. Pick an app from the list, install it and run it for about 30 seconds to verify. If you're not sure on how to complete this step, please follow my instructions from the video. This is the most important task of the unlocking. You can choose any app and you have to follow the instructions given. Some apps require that you run them for a certain amount of time, or sometimes you'll have to sign up for a certain app. I have to mention, just for peace of mind, that these apps are straight from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, so no harm can be done to your phone, neither your data. Okay, once you finish the task, your phone should be unlocked in 3 to 5 minutes. Let's check that. I'll put in the SIM card and we'll see. So the first time it will take longer than usual to find a network. And that's it. We've just unlocked this iPhone 11. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you want to learn more about phone unlocking, visit our blog. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time.